Waterfront community where living is made easy. This 4-bed, 2.5-bath home features a dramatic 2-story entry. The family will love the family room features such as fireplace and shiplap accent wall surrounded by views of nature.Well, appointed kitchen west/corian counters and marbled backsplash, island and stainless appliances. Plus breakfast area west/bay windows. Owner's suite includes walk-in closet and luxuriate bath west/custom tiled shower and freestanding soaking tub. Entertain, relax and enjoy all the benefits of the 20 by 40 in-ground saltwater swimming pool. One step on the wrap-around porch and you will be home.